Hi, I'm Sara Abrons, Executive Editor of Rave Publications, and I'm here on the first day of DSE 2018 in the Epson booth, and I'm with Richard Miller, who is Director of Projectors for Epson. How are you today, Richard?
Doing really well, Sarah, thanks.
Okay, so Richard's going to give us a quick booth tour of the Epson booth and show us some of the really cool stuff they have showing here today. So take it away, Richard.
Yeah, so what we're looking at in the Epson booth is we have a few different displays here that we're talking about, and we're showing experiential information and space design using projectors. So behind me you'll see, for example, we have three of our Pro L 15,000 lumen projectors with an ultra short throw lens projecting on an ultra wide screen. So that's an interesting aspect ratio that's not your typical aspect ratio. So it catches people's attention, and we're just putting eye-catching content on there that will catch your attention, create a certain mood and a certain ambiance. And the nice thing is you'll see with the projectors down low, they're almost, they're not very visible to the eye, so we see a lot of people come walking up and actually touching the screen and they don't realize it's a projector. They think it's a video wall or something else like that. So that's an interesting application.
Projection as ambiance and kind of a recurring theme here.
Yeah, I mean, I think, you can get, there's the informational, but then there's also using it as space design.
Yeah, and for lighting?
Exactly, for lighting. And now that you have laser projectors, you can do interesting things in terms of positioning them. You don't have to put them in the traditional orientation of a projector. Epson has developed a lot of ultra short throw lenses like you're seeing here, so you can get them very close and out of the way and do some pretty cool things with them.
Cool, well, let's check out something else then.
Okay, so over on the other side here, we've got actually maybe we should come this side. Yeah. So we've got three 15,000 lumen projectors up there, and we're doing projection mapping on a clear surface from a company called TrueClear. And you're getting projection on both sides of the image. And again, this is projection mapping using Pro L projectors, creating ambiance, kind of catching people's attention, walking up and getting the feel for, hey, what's going on here. So it's first time we're showing this particular assortment, and it's been very well received.
Looks really cool.
Yeah, it is pretty cool.
Okay.
So I'll take you on the inside here, and we'll show you our new projector called Light Scene.
This room's been pretty crowded, and once you see the product, I think you'll see it's rightfully so.
Okay, so Light Scene is a 2,000 lumen laser projector, but it doesn't look like a projector. It looks actually like lighting.
Yeah, it looks like track lighting.
That's right. So when we talk about space design or experiential information, the vertical markets that we're targeting are retail, hospitality, call it amusement like theme parks, museums, entertainment venues, and bars and restaurants. And if you think about those venues, in many cases they don't want a large projector hanging from the ceiling. With Light Scene, it looks like lighting. It can be mounted, as you see here, either direct mounted to the ceiling, it can be mounted to the wall. There's also track lighting adapting, so you can adapt it to track lighting and hang it that way so it looks like track lighting. And it can also be floor mounted. So the placement is very flexible, and it gives you all of the benefits of a projector, but without looking like a projector. So the scenes that we're showing here, for example, the one behind us with the swimsuit, this could be a retail display where you're highlighting either a new swimsuit or something to catch people's attention. We're shooting this on a kind of a translucent fabric here. And if you think about what retail is about today, it's about getting customers in the store and keeping them there. So projectors offer a new way of creating exciting experiences within the store. We've got that one. Over to the right there is you can imagine like a spin class with a virtual class taking a ride through a city street. We've got a few different scenes that we're showing there.
Is that just one projector for that scene?
That's right. That's just one single projector doing that scene there.
Are you doing any projection mapping in here?
So there is projection mapping going on here in the swimsuit, and then the one behind us with the watch demo, that's actually projection mapping onto that.
Is that integrated into the projector, or is it separate?
There are a number of tools in there, like edge blending and things are built into the projector. We're also using some external servers and mapping and that type of thing. But anything you can do with the projector, you can do with Light Scene. And you can do more because there's actually some innovative content tools built into it as well. And what you're seeing now is a bar scene, so you could imagine in hospitality, if you wanted to create a custom experience for customers. So we have here Sarah Jackson, who's coming in, has got a reservation, so she can bring her party here, and when she's drinking and puts her glass down, you can see the scene changes. So you could do the same thing here. Get the scene to change on the projection image. So it just provides a level of customization and experience that bars and restaurants would want to offer.
Cool. Well, thanks very much, Richard, for the booth tour today. Where can we find more information online?
If you go to Epson.com, you can see more information on all of our products.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.